Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We will again make a piggy. Take a white sheet and draw two piggies on it. First we will draw its mouth, draw its eyes like this. Now draw its body. Next we will show the painting of a raining. Now we will draw umbrella on the hand of the second piggy. Make the water droplets. Color it using different colors of your choice. We will be using red color and different more colors to fill it. You can use any colors and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting paintings. Take a white sheet and draw the piggy on it as we are making. Draw its ears, eyes and its open mouth. Now complete its body, draw its legs. After that, we will draw its hands, draw its tail. After that, draw ice cream on its hand like this and then color it. And your piggy is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will draw a rotten apple, draw its stem like this. Now, we will draw the apple. After that, now we will draw a mouse near it. Surround it using black marker and we will make the grasses. Color it using different colors of your choice. Draw its eyes, tails, color it and your painting will be ready. Next, we'll be making a cute house. For that, first we'll make its roof. Now complete it by making its body. Draw the doors and windows of the house. Draw the grasses near it. After that, draw a chimney on the top as shown in the video. Color it using different colors of your choice. We have taken red color, blue color to fill it and your house will be ready. Next, we'll be making a cute piggy standing. So first we will draw its face like this. Draw its eyes. Now complete its body as shown in the video. Draw its ears, mouth and then we will draw its legs and tails. After that, we will color it using different colors of your choice. Make the background on its back. Color it and then your painting will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.